This is Kaylee, and this is Season 2 of Blue Devil News and Episode 2 of Blue Devil News.
Hi, I'm Gavin. Star of the new movie, High School Heroes. It's going to be premiering this Thursday at the Calvert Drive-In. Catch you at 6:30 and see me on the big screen.
Hi, this is Detective Deacon, and we're going to interview this teacher's pet. And it is not an actual student. It's a literal pet.
Even with all the social distancing going on, there was plenty of room for hugs and kisses this week in Miss Robin's room. They were visited by a very special guest, Frank the Pug. As students worked on their assignments, Frank walked around and made sure everyone was staying on task. Thanks, Frank. Hope to see you again real soon.
Wow, that was an interesting story. If you have any more stories that you would like me to research on, give them to Mr. Josh, and I will try to do them all. Whoa, is this thing on?
Hi, I'm Jimena, and did you know that we have more YouTube videos than just the news? Make sure to check them out at youtube.com/thosebluedevils.
I'm an actor in the High School Heroes movie, and it'll be shown this Thursday night at the Calvert Drive-In.
Hi everyone, I am Charlie from Pun City, as you can know, and I have this very special submission or whatever it's called for you to submit your own jokes to Pun City. But all you gotta do is go to Mr. Josh and tell him. But now let's get to the jokes. What are bees best at? The spelling bee, ha 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 ha. Why did the pelican, this is a good one, why did the pelican get kicked out of the restaurant? Oh, that's because he had a big bill. Quack, quack.
I'm here with two amazing writers that has a big announcement.
Space Monkey 2 is coming out soon. Go to the Kentucky Calvert Drive-In to see the new trailer for Space Monkey 2. Make sure to be there.
Wow, that's amazing.
Keaton Adams, Dresden Wallace, they're back. Space Monkey 2, Lamborghinis in space.
Wow, that's exciting. This Thursday, be there.
Yeah, you gotta be there. It's so rad, man. Ah!
Hi, I'm Molly. Don't forget to go blue. Be responsible, lead by example, use respect, and exhibit self-control.
Hi guys, it's Miss Sarah. We're going to learn another sign this week. Quick review of last week, we learned thank you, where it comes out straightforward. This week we're going to learn you're welcome. It's similar, it starts the same, but then it rounds out. So to say you're welcome, bring it to your chin and then come down like this. And that's it. Have a good week.
Hi, I'm Amy Ivy.
And I'm Alicia Noonan. We're two stars in the new movie,
High School Heroes. It is on Thursday night
at the Calvert Drive-In. Be there at 6:30.
Oh, and by the way, I'm the real star, and the movie's free, so go check it out.
Hi, I'm Allie, and this is the weather for this week.
Welcome to Best in the Rest, and this is episode 1, season 2, and I'm gonna be featuring all y'all's awesome artwork. It was great, I loved all of them, and here's the rest. I'm going to show you which one that I thought was the best because it was the best because it was with the Gerber baby when it was 5. And yeah.
Oh yeah!
Thanks for watching. Make sure to submit your artwork in the folder by where you go to recess. And thank you for all your artwork, and bye.
It's time for Learning with Lucy. This week's word, oso, which is Spanish for bear. It kind of sounds like also. But don't get it confused.
Also me! Yay!
That is just oh so Lucy.